Dave here with Coolfall. I want to introduce you to the Spy flashlights. This is the bow tie 007. It is a machined finish light with a smooth, flat side, the military battery cap and knob, and a sapphire lens. This is the black tie. It has a raised, textured, knurled finish on the side. It's called the Springfield knurl. The rest of the light is machine finished. It also has the military battery cap and knob and sapphire lens. The Ultra comes with a stonewash finish with the Springfield knurl, a Vault twist-off battery cap, and the Vegas locking knob. Back in 2005, Coolfall started with the 005 flashlight. It was an all-aluminum anodized finish light with chrome-plated head and knob. This 005 is an all-new generation. It's all titanium. It has upgraded electronics. It is a stonewash finish and polished titanium head and knob. This is the TriV. The TriV is a 3-emitter head light. It has a floodlight, a reflector, and a aspheric spot beam that can throw for hundreds of feet. Its finish is a stonewash with a gunner grip machined into the side. It also has the Vault twist-off battery cap and the Vegas knob. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on the support page at coolfall.com.